Welcome to our tutorial on efficient web design, where we explore the intricate process of loading images with mesmerizing animations and effects. Discover the power of keyframes and create a visually engaging loader that adds a touch of sophistication to your website. Join us as we break down the steps to achieve seamless and captivating image loading. Let's dive into the world of web design excellence together. Start by creating a basic HTML structure. In the head section, write title of your choice, images, loading animation. Additionally, create a link to your CSS style sheet with ref HTTPS CDNJs, Cloudflare.com Ajax libs, normalize 5.0, normalize min CSS, and rel style sheet. And just like this with ref style CSS and rel style sheet. In this way also. Create a nav with class navbar. Create a span easy latest. And create a UL. Create a line. Create a home. Now create a line. Create a contact. Then create a line. Create a about. Then create a line. Create a product. Likewise, create a line. Create a button with class dark. Create a span with class backdrop. And create a span get started. And create a div with class hero. Create a home. Let's put some images. Also create a paragraph using p tag and inside it, write on your website. And also create a div with class loader. Create a div. In the same manner, import URL TTS. fonts.googlepaste.com chest2 family is equal to Poppins WHA 400-700 display is equal to swap. Keyframes loader 50. Transform translate to Y70 px. Filter blur 50 pi xc. Keyframes loader before 50. Opacity 0. Keyframes loader after 50. Opacity 0.3. Body HTML L. Height 100. Margin 0. Body. Background color 222. Dot loader. Width fit content. Height fit content. Margin 7px. Auto 0 auto. Position relative. Dot loader diff. Height 300 ppx. Width 200 ppx. Display inline block. Margin 0. Topa kx 00 day. Animation loader 0.7 linear. Border radius 20 pixels. Position relative. Background position center. Background size cover. Dot loader div before. Dot loader div after. Border radius 20 pixels. Content. Display inherit. Position absolute. Top 0. Left 0. Width inherit. Height inherit. Background AA. Opacity 0. Animation inheriting. Animation name loader before. Dot loader hover div hover before. Dot loader hover div hover after. Opacity 0.